Look what I got today. I got a Z Fold 5. Yay. So from the 4 to the 5, not a real big difference, but I wanted to give myself a good birthday present. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing this. Removing the tabs. Oh wow, it looks kind of similar to last year's. It's kind of difficult to do this with one hand, but here, I'll get this off and then. So I got the matte black, and this is what it looks like. Wow. Wow. It looks very nice. Cool, cool, cool. Cool. Super nice. And as always, it just only comes with the charger.